In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use how-to videos in Monday.com. When you're getting started with a new tool, one of the best ways to learn is by watching short, focused video tutorials. Monday.com actually makes this really easy by building those tutorials right into the platform, so you don't have to leave your workspace or search all over the internet for answers. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly where to find those videos and how to start using them to solve real problems as you work. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and looking at any board or workspace. At the very top right corner of your screen, you'll see a small question mark icon. This is your in-app learning center. Think of it as your built-in help hub for articles, videos, and quick guidance. Go ahead and click that question mark icon. When you do, a panel will open, usually sliding out from the side or dropping down from the top, depending on your layout. Inside this panel, you'll find a section with essential help articles. These are written guides that cover the basics, like setting up boards, creating automations, or managing your team. They're great when you want to skim for quick answers or follow step-by-step written instructions. But for this video, we're going to focus on the video tutorials section. Within the Learning Center, look for an area labeled something like Video Tutorials or Watch How-To Videos. This is where Monday.com groups short, topic-based videos that walk you through different features visually. Once you're in the Video Tutorials section, you'll see a list of topics. These might include things like getting started, project management, CRM, dashboards, or automations. Browse through the topics until you find one that matches what you're trying to learn. Maybe you want to understand how to build a new board from scratch, or how to visualize your data with a dashboard view. When you found the topic that fits your needs, simply click on the video you're interested in, then press play. The video will start right inside the Monday.com interface, so you can watch and follow along in real time. A helpful tip here is to pause the video as you go and try each step in your own account. This hands-on approach makes it much easier to remember what you've learned. That's all there is to it. Open the question mark icon, explore the essential help articles. If you need extra context, go into the video tutorials section, choose your topic, and hit play.